Hello viewers, it's me Shakwat. Welcome to my YouTube channel Design Empire. Today we will learn how to text add in your face or any object using Adobe Photoshop tools. We will back after intro. First of all, we will open a color image. Then we will go adjustment layer, apply gradient map. Convert to floater image. And we will go to edit menu. Then copy to layer. Now we will go filter menu, go to blur option, apply Gaussian blur. The radius is 8. Press OK and save to your computer. The file name is displays. Delete the blur layer. Now we will go text tool. Fill up your image. All text. Select all text, go to paragraph, justify, go to character panel. Please apply Sensory Gothic font. We are using bold font, font PT 8. Okay. Then select the text layer, apply filter, distort and displace. The displace horizontal scale is 20 and vertical scale in 20. Click displace blur layer Okay. Then please up your image layer. Select image layer. Press Alt, hold Alt and click. Please adjust your text layer. Okay. Please select the image layer. Go to adjustment layer. Click solid color. The color is 100% black. Okay. Finally, you will down the color fill layer. Okay. Dear viewers, if you are new viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and never miss another update. Thank you.